In this video, we're going to talk about the Tango Tango contact list for Android. We're going to talk about how to make a PTT call to your contact list and how to manage the contact list. So let's get started. The topics we'll cover in this will include the contacts page, how to call contacts, the contact menu page, and how to add contacts. The contact page displays a personalized list of other users that you communicate with. You can customize this list for yourself. Every person in your organization can have a different contact list based on the people that they need to contact the most. Your contact list has a user status indicator that's updated in real time on the left-hand side, and you can see the various statuses that can be assigned to each user. You can call one or more contacts on your list. To do this, you highlight the contact and then press and hold the PTT button and talk. When the call is active, the type of call and the participants are displayed on the screen. You can create an ad hoc call by highlighting multiple contacts and pressing PTT. If you want to perform more operations on a contact, press and hold to invoke the contact menu on the contact itself. This is called in Android, this is called a long press on the contact itself. When you do this, you'll be presented with a menu that allows you to perform a lot of other functions with the contact, such as get more information about them, send them a message, show them on the map. You can block calls coming from that contact. You can also remove that contact. One example of additional function you can perform is to search for and add a user to your contact list. So if there's a user that's in your organization that you want to put on your contact list, but you don't have them on your list now, you can press and hold the More menu at the top right-hand portion of the screen and press Find Contact. Then you'll be presented with a search box. You type in a portion of their username and hit Submit, and then you can add them to your contact list. So that's it. That's all about contacts on Tango Tango for Android. Thanks for watching.